Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha. Today we're just going to do my March faves and fails, which this year, I know we say it every month. I know it's not just me, but these months are flying by. Maybe it's because I'm a mom. I don't know. But either way, it's just speeding by and I don't like it. So let's go ahead and dive in. I think I'm actually going to start with my fails, just because I like to get the negative things out of the way. And I really don't have that much this month. But the things that I do have, I don't like. So to start it off, I have the Wet n Wild Honey Setting Spray. Y'all, I don't like this at all. I like, this is really hard to explain. So I like the formula and I love the sprayer. But the scent, I don't like fake scents. And along this line is their cocoa. I don't like it. I just don't like fake scents. So I guess for me, I will just have to stay away from anything that has a scent to it. No big deal. The next thing I have, and I'm kind of sad that I don't like it, is the Beauty Bakery Instabake Foundation. I wanted to like this so bad. And I can make it work with like oils and serums and stuff to keep my skin hydrated, but it ends up looking very cakey on me, and that's just not a pretty look. So it's going to be a pass for me. I'm sure it looks great on someone else, maybe just not for me. The last thing I have for my fails is this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. And this one stumped me because it has great reviews and I think it's a horrible mascara. I think that it didn't build up my lashes at all. It was a very just average mascara. I would say not even average. I would say it's below average because it barely coated my lashes, and I cannot stand wands like this. I don't get volume and it just doesn't work for me. I thought it would be a great under eye mascara or bottom lash line mascara. No, it still did not just grab to my lashes. It barely coated them. So hard pass for me. Now, on to the faves of the month. So, number one is something that I'm wearing. Let me stand up and show you. It is this spider hoodie. It's lined with some fleece, and it is so comfortable. I also like that it has these little thumb holes, just like when I'm walking outside with my baby and my big kids. It's nice to have something to keep my hands warm because it is still cold outside. So for me, I really like this jacket. And like I said, it's got a fleece line. It's got a hoodie. And I love the color. It's great. And you can grab these products, this spider line, at TJ Maxx for a really great deal. So you need to go in there, check their clothing racks, and see if you can find anything by Spider. I believe it's SPYDER. But the whole line is amazing. I've gotten some leggings from that line, also from TJ Maxx, and they're amazing. So you need to go check them out. The next fave I actually have on my lips right now. It is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, and I got it in coconut. This was on sale during the Ulta 21-day beauty sale. There you go. It's wonderful. I do have one drawback though. So like, here's the color. Come on, camera, focus on it. There you go. So my one drawback is that it's a clicky, so you have to click it and it'll go up, and I am not a big fan of that, just because what if you don't use enough, or what if you click too much, or what if a child gets a hold of it and likes to click it and then your product is damaged. So that's the one drawback, but my lips definitely look juicy and they feel hydrated and comfortable. It's not like a sticky gloss. It's a very comfortable gloss. So Love it. Now I regret not getting more colors because they had tons of shades and I believe they were on sale for $10. I maybe $9. I could be wrong. But it was such a good deal and I should have gotten more shades. Of course, that's how it always works. The next thing I have is actually was on my hair. And it is this dye by All About Curls. I have it in shade 4N, which is Chestnut Ringlets. And so this is like day 3 or 4 hair. I can't remember. And it's so glossy. The shade is great. The one drawback I had was that on some of my grays, it kind of came out more like a dark brown with a red tint. But overall, it worked out beautifully. And on top of that, this item was sent to me. I should mention that. This item was sent to me to review. They also sent over this Curl Quench After Color Conditioner. And this is a must now whenever I dye my hair because, oh my gosh, my hair was so soft after, and it still is. But it was as if I didn't just color my hair and like do damage to it. I colored it and then gave it some hydration and really gave it like a full treatment. It was amazing. So if you dye your hair and you don't want to try the All About Curls dye, which I totally understand, you should definitely look into this After Color Conditioner. I know it says curl. I have waves. My hair is blow dried right now, but I have waves and some slight curls. And I mean, I still used it even though was just going to blow dry it. There were quite a few reviews that have just straight hair. So, I mean, it's not going to do anything to your straight hair. Definitely go check these items out. Now, when I did that hair dye, it was in a video. It was my self-care video. I also was showing you my Jade Roller and my Quartz Gua Sha Stone. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. And I had to put these in my favorites. I can't remember if I've done it before, but they're amazing. I do have to constantly watch videos when I'm doing this one just because I always forget what exactly to do. But I also find it relaxing to do it along with another video. So I'll link a couple videos down below so that you can check them out as well. But definitely go take a look at these stones. And the Jade Roller, I just like to do this once I have my moisturizer on. And I just do a nice roll. I don't want to get makeup on it. But this little one for the eyes, oh my gosh. It's so relaxing and I love this. The last thing I'm going to tell you about, this is where you're going to see my nerdy side. I'm a nerd. It's who I am. That's just that. And I am in love with this Hogwarts collection by Scentsy. Oh my gosh. So not only do we have the scents, but we also have the scent warmer, which I'll put a picture up right here. It's the Hogwarts Castle. My inner nerd screamed when we saw that. Well, when I saw this. And it was sent actually as a gift to my mom who was staying with us during these quarantine times. Along with that came these Scentsy wax collections, and they are the house waxes. Can we just say, wow. Like I said, I'm such a nerd. I am such a nerd. I'm a Gryffindor. What's your house? Let me know down below if you've done the house test and which house you are. I've done all the tests and every single one of them has said Gryffindor for me. So they have the Slytherin, which is, it says Cunning and Ambition. Then we have Wit and Wisdom, Ravenclaw. We have Bravery and Determination, Gryffindor. And then Just and Loyal, Hufflepuff. So now I should go on and say this. I don't like the scent of Gryffindor. I find it to smell very woodsy and to be completely frank, it reminds me of a smell when we lived in Bahrain, and I don't have the best memories tied to the scent just because It had nothing to do with Bahrain. Let me put that up front. It had nothing to do with Bahrain. It had to do with some issues with my son. And I'm just going to leave it at that. But this reminds me of that time. So it kind of turns me off, unfortunately. I think if I didn't have that, maybe I would like that smell. But Hufflepuff smells very fruity. It even says, yeah, cinnamon, sugar, golden apple. And it definitely smells very sugary. Then we have Slytherin. Oh, this smells more like sweet again. Almost like a chocolate. I think chocolate. Dark chocolate and fresh oak moss. Crisp leather and chocolate again. So definitely, it's a very nice smell though. Very nice. Then we have Wit and Wisdom Ravenclaw. And this one just smells clean to me. And it smelled great when we had it in the warmer. It really went through the entire house. Ravenclaw says smooth vanilla, airy white musk, incense, sandalwood, and mahogany woods. And to me, it smelled very clean. So I liked all the other 3 scents except for the Gryffindor scent. But again, I think it's just because of my brain being wired and to a bad memory. But everyone else in my house liked it. So it was just me. All the items I mentioned today will be listed down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye!